Today, I'm giving you the tour of our Airbnb in Atlantic City and how we enjoyed every single moment of it.
Hi Chickadee, my name is Miljana Monic. I live in Brooklyn, New York with my husband, and I am sharing with you my journey as a first-generation immigrant of creating a life beyond my wildest dreams. So you will be seeing some unusual and then some more usual perspectives and life experience.
Exactamente que yo mire, non-smoking room.
No.
The thing that we loved the most about this apartment were the windows and the view. It is absolutely magical to wake up and go to sleep with this extraordinary view of the beach and the city. The kitchen was another part we made the most of in this apartment because we made our own breakfast, and the food that we had, they were full-on courses that I previously prepared. We had a fridge we can store them in and all the basics to warm them up and serve. So it was delicious. The bathroom had a full-on jacuzzi, which we took complete advantage of, and there's a window between the bathroom and the living room, so we turned the TV around and we watched Shrek. Okay, we have the kitchen here. You have a whole fridge, it's really nice, and a freezer. We recycled, so we put this recycling separate. We don't know if they recycle. This is like, you have things here that you can use. They allow you. You have the pots and the tissues. You have bags, beach bags, plates. We left everything clean. This is actually a studio, so it's great for a couple to go on vacation. It's open floor, separate kitchen, separate like a small dining area, two huge windows that really bring so much light and make this a great vacation spot. And there's a small TV, and there is this small mirror. Hello. On the other side, you have another, I think this is part of the kitchen, but we barely use that sink. And that's the window that is where the jacuzzi is in the bathroom. This is the spectacular view from the bathroom window, and I loved those windmills. But in a moment, I'll show you also at night, which was my favorite part. The bathroom has good space, good lighting, these huge mirrors, and two sinks so both of you can get ready at the same time. And this is the view at night from the bathroom. I mean, who doesn't like to do number one or number two with such a view? You just want to make sure the lights are off or the blinds are down because you might be seen. Would you stay at this Airbnb? Please comment below, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow on my social media. See you soon!